Hello, cows. Don't worry, I'm not wearing one of your friends. Mind, hit me up on YouTube, like, comment and subscribe. How we doing, guys? It is R6 Monkey here, back out again, and I couldn't think of a better place to start this video. This is Cambusnethan House, which is also known as Cambusnethan Priory. As you can see, it's a bit derelict now. Probably majority of the damage goes down to vandals. You see the spray paint, it's probably been set on fire more times than anything else. But I came down to get some pictures to have a look, and it is a bit of a beautiful building, if I don't mind saying so myself. As much as it's been neglected over the years, it does have a bit of history about it. So yeah, I'm just going to head off. Bye, cows. Remember, R6 Monkey. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube. Hit me up. It's always good to bump into some fans. Right, so the start was Cambusnethan Priory. The road isn't the greatest into it. As you can see, you know, you don't really want to go scalping up these roads. It's probably more suited for a fucking Africa Twin than it is an R6. But well worth it. So it is. Mind the horses, don't scare them. So this has probably been my first, I'm guessing he wasn't a fan. So as I was saying, this will be my first recreational vlog, because my first two were on the way to and on the way from work. So as much as you still enjoy riding, you're not just out for the fun of it. So if you just look in the distance, you'll actually see the Priory just over the trees. It's very well hidden. If you didn't know what it was, or like myself, if you didn't have the use of Google Maps, you'd probably never find it. So yeah, if you mind, check out my social media. Mostly my Instagram. You'll probably find I will post up some other pictures from Cambusnethan Priory there. Like you see just exactly what it's like just now. It's just one of those ones that's been left and neglected, and gets to the point that it just would not be cost effective to do anything with it. Now, on a plus note, as you may noticed, now with the current lockdown, you know, you're going to come out of lockdown one of three things: a hunk, a chunk, or a drunk. Now, I was pretty much borderline on my way to being a chunk, because all I've done is eat shite. Very little exercise, albeit I've still been working, which can be quite exertive at times. But the plus side to that is the good old one piece is still fit. I might have had to breathe in a wee bit to get the zip up, but they're on. I'll maybe stretch them to size. Give me a wee bit of space in them. Because that is obviously the downside with going, you know, tailor-made. Is because all it takes is a couple of months of excessive junk food, and the mid-region, as they say, seems to expand, which for myself has happened a little bit, but not enough that it puts me off getting into my one piece, which I'm happy with. On that note, I have also decided that my helmet, the one on my head, of course, you know, we're keeping this strictly PG here. Yes, my lid does not colour coordinate the Power Ranger look. So I'm looking for ideas on a nice, comfortable, quiet, white and black helmet. So if anybody has any ideas, shoot me some pictures on Messenger, or even just drop me some links and I'll have a look. Because, you know, you never ever seen the red Power Ranger borrowing the green Power Ranger's helmet, did you? So I really need to get in the full look. So I shall leave it at that just now, guys. As I keep saying, the channel is, well, the plan is to get the channel more active now. Get out and about, take you all with me. See what this beautiful country has to offer in the way of scenic roads and twisty routes. And hopefully you all stick around to see it, because I actually quite enjoy having you along. You're a great company. So on that note, guys, remember, ride safe, keep your shiny side up. Till next time, bye.